Hey everyone, Ricky here from Rhino Networks. Today we're unboxing the Meraki MT20, a smart, cloud-managed door sensor designed to enhance physical security and keep your facilities safe. Whether you're looking to secure doors or windows, the MT20 is a simple yet powerful solution that integrates seamlessly with the Meraki ecosystem. Let's dive into what makes this sensor so useful for protecting your space. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the MT20 sensor, a magnet for installation, mounting hardware, and a quick start guide. The MT20 is small and compact, making it easy to install on just about any door or window frame. It uses wireless Bluetooth connectivity, so you don't have to deal with complicated wiring. Plus, it's powered by batteries, giving you flexibility on where you place it without needing a power source. Now, let's talk about what the MT20 does. The sensor is designed to detect whether a door or window is open or closed, providing real-time updates on the status of entry points throughout your building. This makes it ideal for offices, warehouses, or any area where you need to keep an eye on access. If a door is open unexpectedly, you'll get an instant alert through the Meraki Cloud dashboard so you can take immediate action. One of the best features of the MT20 is how it integrates with the rest of the Meraki ecosystem. You can pair it with Meraki cameras to get video footage of entry points when the door sensor is triggered. This provides an additional layer of security, allowing you to monitor who's coming in and out of your facility. The MT20 is a simple but effective way to enhance physical security. And since it's managed in the cloud, you don't need any additional servers or complex infrastructure. Just connect it to your existing Meraki network and you're good to go. You can also customize how the sensor behaves. Set it to trigger alerts during specific hours or integrate it with other systems for a more comprehensive security solution. Plus, with automatic over-the-air updates, the MT20 stays up to date with the latest features and security patches, making it a low-maintenance, high-value addition to your security setup. In summary, the Meraki MT20 is a great tool for securing doors or windows with minimal effort. With real-time monitoring, seamless integration with the Meraki platform, and cloud-based management, the MT20 delivers the physical security you need in a simple and easy-to-use package. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.